Your trade is green. You close it, but the profit? Smaller than you expected. That's a PnL problem, profit and loss, and most traders never figure out why. In this video, you'll finally understand the real PnL meaning and stop leaving money on the table. Hey, quick note, markets like this are not easy, and a lot of traders struggle here, so we've added a small bonus for our YouTube viewers only. You'll find the promo code in the description. If you've ever searched PnL meaning, what is PnL in trading, or PnL explained, this is exactly the video for you. We're going to break down what PnL is, how it's calculated, and why your trading PnL is often smaller than you expect. PnL stands for profit and loss. It shows exactly how much you're gaining or losing in a trade, whether that's in crypto trading, forex trading, or stock trading. In simple terms, PnL meaning the real-time score of your trade. Positive PnL, you're winning. Negative PnL, you're losing. There are two types of PnL in trading. The first is unrealized PnL. That's your floating profit or loss. The trade is still open. Nothing is locked in yet. The second is realized PnL, the profit or loss you actually locked in when you close the trade. Until you close. It's just a number on a screen. Unrealized PnL can flip from green to red in seconds. Here's the problem most beginners don't see. Your PnL is not just about price movement. Your trading PnL includes trading fees, funding rate, spread between bid and ask. This is true for crypto trading PnL, forex trading PnL, and intraday trading, every single market. That's why you can be up on price and still down on PnL. Your total PnL is a combination of two things: realized PnL plus unrealized PnL. Think of it like this: realized PnL, trades you've already closed. Unrealized PnL, trades still open. Together, that's your full PnL picture. Let's make it real. Watch what happens step by step. I open a position on Margex. You can see entry price, current price, leverage, and right here, the PnL. Price moves up, unrealized PnL grows. Looks great. But you already paid fees when you opened. And if the position was open overnight, you paid funding too. So your final realized PnL when you close, always smaller than the raw price move suggests. Most beginners look at the chart and think that's all that matters. But your PnL in trading depends on three things: your leverage, your fees, your position size. The chart doesn't show you any of that. Your PnL does. One more thing, and this one surprises everyone. There's a difference between the bid price and the ask price. That gap is called the spread. The moment you open a trade, you're already starting slightly negative because of the spread. This is why your trading PnL can look different from what you expected, even if the price barely moved. Now you understand what PnL really means and why it matters. If you want to know why your stop loss or take profit didn't trigger exactly where you set it, that's the next video. Watch it now. Drop your promo code in the comments, subscribe, and trade smart.